Hey guys, so today we got a Nissan Patrol Y62 in, so it's a 2024 model, so this one is brand new. So it's just come in today for a head unit upgrade. So I'll just give you a quick walk around of the car. So it's the new shape Patrol, it's very nice. Alrighty, so this is the new head unit upgrade that we've done today for the Y62 Nissan Patrol. So just turning the headlights off here, you can see, so the dials and stuff actually light up an orange color to match the interior and the theme of the Nissan Patrol, I guess. Turn them back on. So down the bottom here we've got the AC control, so pressing this button will just make it full screen. So that's the display for that one. And then as per normal, everything down here will work. So you got your fan up, fan down, and then you got your temperature control left and right as well. So we'll just turn that off. So that's the AC completely off now. And then yeah, so down the bottom here you got your heated seat control. So with the heated seats, all that works normal. So that's that. That's this one. Turn that back off. And yeah, so this is the home page of that one. So if we go into settings here, so that's general settings, you've actually got two choices. So home page style, you've got classic and modern. So go back into that. We'll flick it over to modern to see what it looks like. Yeah, so that's changed the theme of the unit a little bit there. We'll keep that up to the customer, but so we'll put that back to classic. So you got day and night mode, time settings, dimmer settings, antenna power, language, units, radio region, RDS, and sleep switch. And then going into audio here, this is where you access the unit equalizer. So press an equalizer, it will open it up. So as per usual, comes with all your usual presets, so rock mode, classic, popular, all those ones. So we'll chuck that on rock. And then scrolling across here, but also with this one you do have this custom range, so you can go preset 1 and make a custom EQ graph. Just going back to this one, you got your low pass filter, high pass filter, and then bass control. Sound field delay, so that's where you can set each speaker's sound field delay. And then your balance, so each channel you can turn up and down, turn off completely so you can mute them. And yeah, so go back to settings with this one, and you got sound gain, so you can individually control each source's volume gain, so radio, music, video, Bluetooth music, AUX, oh, accidentally tap music then, AUX, Navi, volume, and others. So we'll get out of that one. Video, so that's video in motion, so if the car's driving you can still watch videos in this one. User, default Navi app, boot logo, app customize, start the application automatically, and voice, system. So inside here, this is where you got your network settings. So we'll go to this one. Yeah, so here's where you connect up to Wi-Fi itself, so whether it's a mobile phone hotspot or house Wi-Fi, you can connect up to it via that. Or the alternative to that is you can run a SIM card on it. These ones do come with a SIM card reader as well, so you can put a data only SIM in. That way your unit's always got internet, and you can browse the internet, go onto YouTube, download applications or whatever you'd like to do really. So yeah, you got your main radio here, so that's just your AM FM radio. So it's got all these presets. We'll go back out of that one. Navigation, so here's where you can set your navigation preset. So you got maps, iGo next gen, or file explorer. So with that one you can just put in a external source for your navigation system. So back home, music, we do have the built-in music with this one, so if you want to put a USB in, so a USB stick to this playing your music, you can just click this button here, USB, and then if you have a USB plugged in, all your music tracks will come up here. And now again, this Nissan Patrol does come with the 360 camera and the factory BOSE fitted sound system as well. So as you can see there, it's the BOSE sound system, and yeah, we do have sound. So volume control's working. Yeah. So going back home here, we got video. So it's got your built-in videos for demo purposes, or again you can go through your USB stick. So USB is there as well, so you can play movies or anything downloaded that you have on a USB stick. You got car audio, which is the CarPlay. I'll go into that in a second. And you got Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is how you connect up to the phone. Explorer, what's that? So Explorer takes us into Google Chrome. So once we have the internet connected up on this unit, then we can go onto Google or any browser and just surf the internet. Console, so console is just a bunch of the inbuilt car settings. So it shows you your fuel info, so total distance, mileage, average fuel and fuel consumption. Car settings, this is where you access all the factory car settings themselves. So you still have full control over all those settings that the cars come with. Tire pressure monitor system, so if this car wasn't fitted with this from factory, but again you can fit an aftermarket system to this, so you can put sensors into your tires to keep track of tire pressure. And then amp info, and it just shows you all the volumes and stuff of your factory amp. So we'll go back here. So we'll open up the CarPlay now, so just off another phone, I'll turn on the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth on, connecting. I'll unlock the phone as well. Yeah, and there we go, so that's the Apple CarPlay connected. So this one has wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So with those, yeah, you can go through your navigation. So navigation, phone calls, text messages, any application that you have on your phone that is supported through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto will come up in this system as well. So you've got phone, music, maps, messages, podcast, audiobooks, calendar, settings, WeChat and WhatsApp. So we'll just exit this for now, so we'll go back into the car. So that's all those settings done. So what I'll do now is I'll pop the car into reverse to show you the factory fitted 360 system. So as you can see, you put the car in reverse and your reverse camera comes up on the right, as well as your 360 view on the left there. You can also manually open this, so if we double tap 360, it's going to bring that up. Then you got your, again, 360 and reverse camera. Pressing switch here will bring us into a different camera, so you got the left camera, I believe, and then pressing it again should close it. And then yeah, so that's back to the main menu now of the unit. What else is there? Shows you the AC, heated seats, steering wheel. Yeah, so steering wheel controls all work as per normal as well. So if we had music or anything playing, I'll just go over to the radio now. So steering control is completely working, as well as up and down. Yeah. Alright guys, let us know what you think of this one.